Discord is giving out 2,100 orbs. I will show you the 3 quests here. Not gonna lie, I don't know why Discord is being so giving and generous. This has never happened before. Maybe they are making big money with those collabs. I'm also confused why some people in the comment section spam old quests. Like, bro, these are new quests. Just you have done it before my video out doesn't mean others have done it too, so just chill, okay? Let others know too about the quests. Anyway, back to the topic. The first quest is on PC, and the last 2 quests need to be done on your phone. So make sure to watch the video there. If you don't know how to watch quest videos on phone, just open your Discord on phone, go to user settings, scroll down until you find orbs or quest option. A few days ago, I posted dishes I made from different countries. It seems like some entitled vegan activist from India got offended and commented, "Go vegan." Honestly, nothing against veganism. Don't tell other people what to eat. I am planning to post more meat dishes in the future. Now, if you want the quest links, feel free to join my Discord support server and find Orbs channel. Now, the reason why I mention free Nitro in my thumbnail is after claiming orbs, you can exchange them from a 3-day Discord Nitro. I also want to make it clear to a few that Orbs is an official feature of Discord. Getting Nitro from Orbs exclusive shops. This was a small one-liner for YouTube mods who think Orbs is illegal. I've also linked Discord's official article about the orbs in the description. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.